So when you go to hold a pistol, what you would want to do is hold it as high as you possibly can. If you could truly get behind the barrel, that would be the best, but what would happen is the slide would come back and injure yourself. So we're trying to get as high as possible. Take your hand, go ahead and shove it up as high as you possibly can behind the back strap of the firearm, okay? And take your 3 lower fingers, come around to the bottom, just like that, and you notice how much I'm taking up the grip with my right hand. This, of course, being a Glock 19. Bring your 3 lower fingers around the bottom, take your non-firing hand, taking it and rotating it to where your lower part of your knuckle to your wrist is parallel with the slide, and come along, bring your thumb, put it along somewhere on the frame, not to where it's going to get injured by the slide as it moves. Take your other lower fingers and bring them around. You can take your thumb and either set it off on the top of your firing hand or bring it around to the outside. You don't want your thumb up top laying next to the slide to where it might get injured by the slide as it moves. Also, you don't want it resting on the slide lock, so that way when you come to an empty magazine, the slide will actually lock back to the rear. Of course, while you're gripping the firearm, the applied pressure should be from the front of the firearm to the back, squeezing it together, and then on the sides, equal pressure on the sides as well. So that way you're not over pushing forward, pushing the gun down, pulling back, or pushing too little on either side to where the gun might move side to side while pulling back on the trigger.